Hello, my name is Michael Hannon, and I will be doing the pH and indicators lab. Alright, here we go. So, first things first, it wants us to obtain a second beaker and place 25 milliliters of deionized water into it. So we're going to place 25 milliliters. So we got my deionized water here. Okay, I'll get my graduated cylinder so it'll be better, so I can measure it out better. It's 20, there's 25. Too much. Ooh, there we go, 25. I'm gonna put 25 in our second beaker. 25 milliliters in there. I'll put this to the side. Next it says make a saturated solution of baking soda by adding enough baking soda to the water where no more will dissolve. You should see a little solid at the bottom. Get my baking soda, so it's placed a little bit to fill up the bottom. So I can open these with the gloves I got on. Let's see, let me get my funnel. Make it a little bit easier on me. I don't need a little bit to fill at the bottom. Or I just place it down. Let me add a little bit more. There we go. And I'll stir it here. Set that aside for right now. I need to stir it. Stir with a straw because that's all I got. And just throw it away after. Yeah, make saturated solution of baking soda by adding a baking soda and water where no more will dissolve. You should see a little solid at the bottom. We'll just say 15. it's looking like this is good. Probably see a little bit of solid here on the bottom. All right, starting to see it there. So this is obtain a vial of red limited paper. So I got my, let me dry off the gloves so I don't mess up the things. All right. Let's move our baking soda out of the way. This is Tame, a vial of red limited paper. So we got our red limited paper right here. Yeah, and then you just rub them off. Okay. Okay, obtain a bottle of bleach. Got a bottle of bleach. There we go. Throw away that straw. Okay. Obtain a vial of red limited paper, obtain a bottle of bleach. Pour enough bleach into the beaker to fill the bottom of the beaker. It should be around 1 milliliter. That's bleach. All right. So to fill the bottom. There we go. Yep, that's enough bleach. Fills the bottom. It says pour enough bleach, fill the bottom, should be around 1 milliliter. Yep, looks like 1 milliliter. Record the color of the limited paper. I repeat steps 1 to 6 for baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. Alright. Let me obtain red limited paper from their vial and place one end of the, so we're gonna get one thing if I can here. Hopefully these gloves are like impossible to grab stuff, so like perfectly. There we go. There we go. So we're gonna put one end into our, do I have that? So sure. Okay. So container, place one end of limited paper into the beaker. And then record the color of the limited paper. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. So baking soda solution, that's... Alright, that makes sense. Did the beaker record the... Yeah. Honestly, it's like a clear bluish color. Kind of like a clear color, actually. Just a clear. It's definitely not red. And we know that if it turns blue, it's a base. If it turns red, it's an acid. So I'm gonna say that is clear. Just leave it in there just a little bit longer. Just to make sure it's not gonna have a dramatic change on me. Okay, so that looks like a whitish clearish color. Let me write that down. Okay. Bleach. Oh snap. Oh, please don't tell me. Bleach equals white. White slash clear color. Okay, now that we have our baking soda solution, we'll dip one piece of Limitless paper in there. Okay. Ooh, this one's already starting to have a different color. It's kind of like turning like a blue purple-ish color. Let's leave it in there a little bit longer. That is blue. It's hard to tell, but it's definitely like a blue color. Okay, there we go. That's our starch solution, or that. We gotta make one for lemon juice. What should I put? Probably put it in that. I don't have an extra beaker because, I mean, originally it said only to order 2 beakers, so I'm just gonna put it in here and see. Where's my Limitless? There it is. Let me write baking soda is blue. I'm gonna put it's about 1 milliliter in here. How am I gonna do this? I just realized I'm not the brightest, apparently. The right end, yeah. There we go. I got it in here for the most part. That's looking like red to me. Just make sure. Let me put a little bit more in here. So it's easier for me to reach the bottom and clean that up. And they want vinegar? Okay, well I guess I'll make a cup for that then too. So, it pretty much stayed the same, so it's red. So yep, it's red. Let's put that back there. So lemon juice equals red. So now we gotta do vinegar. Make another cup down. Actually, I think I have one that's already opened. Let me wipe off the counter too. Spilled some lemon juice. So we got our vinegar right here. Now we're gonna rip a piece of litmus paper or litmus. Litmus, right? Litmus, yeah. It is so difficult to get one piece of paper with these gloves on. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. So it should stay red because vinegar is acidic. We're gonna see. So yeah, also I think the bleach was more of a blue color because now it's like completely white, which it wasn't like before. Ooh, that acid. I mean, vinegar is strong, but okay. So as y'all can tell, it's a red color, which makes sense because I mean it is acidic. Let's say vinegar equals red. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna obtain a vial of pH. I'm gonna put my litmus paper away. Litmus, I don't know why he's saying litmus. It looks like litmus. Okay, bang. There we go. So now I want us to obtain a vial of pH paper, which we do have a vial right here. I think we only need one stack. I don't think we need that much. Or all, I think there's 3 stacks in there, or 2. Okay, so here we go. We have, let's obtain a bottle of bleach, pour in bleach to fill the bottom, so we already have that. Place one end of the pH paper into the beaker, remove the paper, compare the color of the pH paper. Okay. Let me write all these out. So we got bleach, baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar. Alright, gang. I'm gonna rip one off. First, record the pH of the bleach. So determine the pH and record the pH. Okay. So first we're gonna do bleach. Bro, it is instant. Oh, I did not know it was instant like that. That's actually kind of cool. So we trying to MacBook about to turn off. How long do we? This is remove it. So it's kind of like, yeah. It's looking like 11. It could be 9 or 11. I'm thinking it's 11 though, because it's more blue than green. Definitely more blue than green. Here, let me try it again, just to make sure, because I think it's instant. Like you just put it in, pull it out, compare. Not like hold it in there, because then I guess that makes it kind of melt away, dissolve, whatever you want to pull it out, and it is definitely 11. So bleach equals 11 pH, and it'll tell it is blue, which matches the 11. So it is 11. 0 pH. Okay. Next, we're gonna do our baking soda. And baking soda is basic. I don't think it's strong base though. I think it's a weak base. Come on, red, dude. There we go. We'll see though. So my first guess is probably gonna be green. Or blue, we'll see. So that is 1,000,000% green. Ooh, it's low key. It might be yellow. It's like a greenish yellow. It's hard to tell. So I'm gonna go with 9. That was a 9.0 pH. And then next, we're gonna try our lemon juice. So it's acidic, so it should be orange, light red, or dark red. So here we go. Take it out. Ooh. Yeah, it's not completely dark red, so it looks like about 3.0. Yeah, 3.0. No, can tell it is red. I should be showing this. It matches up with that one right there, so that's 3.0. Equals 3.0 pH. Now we have vinegar. Put those right there. Yep, vinegar, where's, it's right here. I'll be doing that, pH paper. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna dip it in. Pull it out. This is the exact same color as the last one, it looks like. So it's looking like about 3.0. 3.0. It's not really holding up that well. Matches up with that one right there, the second to last one. So I would say it's 3.0. It's pretty, it looks almost identical to the last one we just did. 3.0. There we go, that's our pHs. And next it wants us to fill a pot, used for cooking with deionized water, boil the water. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, so I will be back after I have started, or I boiled the water and poured the boiling water onto the red cabbage. So I'll be back. Alright, this is me back after I filled the pot with deionized water. I let it boil. I put chopped red cabbage in into a different pot, and I poured the boiling water onto the hot cabbage and let it stand for 10 minutes. And then this is our aftermath right here. I'm not the best. I was kind of having a hard time cutting it because I don't really mess with cabbages. I don't know. So like I got a really big one too, so it was just not good. But overall, we got it done. It says, obtain an Erlenmeyer flask, place a funnel over the mouth of the Erlenmeyer flask, and obtain a piece of filter paper, and hold the filter paper in half, and fold it in half again. And place it, open the top of the filter paper, then it shows like a... Oh. Okay, yeah. My filter paper already comes in like a cone kind of shape, so I'll just put like a few of them. Here we go, that's 2. Perfect. Alright. Sure, yep. So we got our Erlenmeyer flask, we got our funnel, we got our filter paper. So I'm gonna take one. Put it right here. And I'm gonna grab another and place it right there. Okay, here we go. Probably do this over the sink. Oh, hold on, why is it moving? I don't think I put it deep enough. It's pink. That's crazy. I don't know why I'm freaking out, but like, how often do you see like pink fluids? Like, what the heck? Nah, this is actually kind of cool. Let me show y'all while it's simmering down. It's like a pink purple like liquid. It looks better in like the light. Like, I don't know. No, that's sick though. Just wait for that to get done. I think there's a little bit left in here. There's a little bit left in the top. And there's definitely some left in our pot that we have here. Well, everything, it smells not great. I will like does not smell the best, but that's fine. Okay, so this is our cabbage juice indicator. Ooh, stop. There we go. Should be good. I think we'll cap it there. That's pretty much everything inside of whatever, the pot. Put these back in our pot. Throw these away. Alright, so we got our cabbage indicator, a red cabbage indicator. So, what's next? Ow, 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 ow. So, obtain 6 test tubes. Fill the test tubes halfway with the indicator. The color of the indicator. Oh, my glove's kind of wet. Let me dry it off. 6 test tubes. So we gotta go individually because I do not have a test tube holder. It didn't say to buy one on the syllabus, so I didn't order it from the website. So here we go. Just kind of wipe off our gloves here to the best of our ability. Make sure there's no cabbage juice. It smells lovely. Alright. So we're gonna go individually on each one. So fill up to about halfway. Okay, there we go. It's about halfway. Then it says use pipettes. Like a pH spectrum. So here we go. Here's our red cabbage juice. We're gonna open up our lemon. Oh, let me do one of these cups. Or 2, because I gotta. There we go. Let's get our pipette. I have a big pipette, but it still can measure 1 milliliter on it. Ooh, snap. So it's staying like a pink color. I don't know if I can tell. It's turning like a pinkish color. We'll put this. Where are we going to put this? No, Antonio. Here, put it in a cup like this. This is pink right here. Is there anything else? Maybe? Okay, out of the way. This is pink, so we know that the lemon juice combined with the red cabbage juice turned pink. All right, now we have our second vial or test tube. We'll do vinegar. I poured them out earlier because I thought I wasn't gonna need them again, but I stand corrected. There we go, there's our vinegar. This one's like a, let me actually retry this one. Okay, we're gonna pour half of this in here. There we go. Drop out that a little bit. Okay. Okay, it's turning pink just like the last one. It might be a little bit, it's definitely two different shades. This might be hard to tell on the camera, but this one's more like a lighter pink and this one's more like a darker pink looking. Okay, next we're gonna do bleach, and I gotta remake that baking soda solution. There we go. Yep. Yuck, I don't know, it's like kind of slimy. Ooh. Okay, then we have now we're gonna get our bleach. I'm gonna drop 1 milliliter into our red cabbage juice, or it's turning yellow. This one's turning yellow. This one's turning yellow, y'all. Or like a clear liquid. Okay, so that's our bleach. Okay, and then Yeah, okay, so let me pause the video. I gotta remake our baking soda solution. Alright, I'm back again. I made my starch solution. Now we're gonna finish off this last one. Baking soda, vinegar, bleach, and we already did lemon juice. Okay, so we got this last one. I'm gonna pour halfway with the red cabbage indicator. Oop, poured way too much. Alright. Here we go. So now we got our baking soda solution. We're gonna drop a milliliter. There we go, and this one turned blue. So it says show like a color spectrum. Maybe hard to kind of do it with just my hand because I don't have a holder. This is what our spectrum looks like. Goes from like, got our, it's the lemon juice. This is the, what's it called? Our vinegar. This is the bleach, and then this is the, what's it, baking soda. There you go, that's our spectrum. Color spectrum we're using. Okay. Let me record the colors real quick so I don't forget. I do it on this counter. So we got our cabbage indicator. So our bleach equal yellow. Our baking soda equal blue. Our lemon juice equal bright pink, and our vinegar equal dark. Alright, so now we have our grape juice indicator. That's our last part of the lab. So it says obtain 6 test tubes, but we only need, is this one? This is, they'll test it out with indicator. Oh, I guess they wanted me to fill up like another one with this, but it's just gonna be purple. Alright. Just for y'all, show it again. There we go. Actually, this makes it look kind of better. So there we go. This is our color spectrum. Alright, so I'm gonna pour these out. out a little bit. We'll set them in here. Let me clean out my glove. It says obtain success hits, fill them halfway with the indicator. So we'll be filling up with halfway with grape juice. Grape juice will be our indicator this time. Alright, so we'll do one at a time, just like we did last time. This time we got all of our stuff right here. So this is sad. I'm gonna clean out this real quick. Alright, so all I have to do with the indicator, use the pipette, record the color. Steps 1 through 4 with the baking soda, vinegar, and bleach, and make a pH color spectrum using them. All right. There we go. I'll actually pour this out. All right, this is our first one. We're gonna do a drop of lemon juice, which is this one right here. A little bit more. Do I think I had more? Oh my gosh, let me restart with this one. There we go. This is our first one. It's kind of like a pinkish color. It might be hard to tell, but it's like a pinkish, and then it's got dark at the bottom. Yeah, I think this is mainly like a pinkish color for our lemon juice. Okay, so next we're gonna do our what did we do last time? I think we did vinegar. We did vinegar next, so we'll do that next. Let's pour half of our grape juice. There we go, half grape juice. We're gonna get a little vinegar. Okay, ooh, this is like red. You can see this one. This one's like bloodshot red. Compared to the last one, it was more like a pinkish color. This one's like red. Y'all can see. So vinegar's red. Okay, let me clean out this. All right, we got 2 more to go. Ooh, gotta be careful. This one will pour half grape juice into this test tube. And next we're gonna do our bleach. Let me bring the bleach a little bit closer actually. Don't wanna spill it. It's like all slimy, it's kind of gross. This one's like kind of clear. Kind of messed it up because the bleach was like just kept dripping into it. This one, yeah, this one's kind of like a clearish color. Yeah, it's making like a clear. You can kind of see it at the bottom here. It's coming clearer and clearer. Here, we'll set this one. I don't want to spill. Okay, let me move these test tubes out of here. It's gonna spill a little. I don't want it to get on the other test tubes. So it's like a yellow. Okay. So next, last but not least, we're gonna do our baking soda. Pour some of this out. Here we go. Make sure we clean this off. Okay, now we're gonna do our baking soda solution last, and that should be all. This one's kind of like fizzing up. It looks like it might be turning darker, like a darker blue kind of color. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Like, you see it kind of like fizzed up, but it's like blue fizz. Not just like regular white. So this is it's kind of like a bluish color. And we'll put that next to the others. Okay, and then we'll do one with just this, and we'll show off our color spectrum, and that'll be the lab. Ooh. Oh snap. Okay, so let's show off our things. We got our basic. We'll get our pink. We'll get our, oh, snap. And it was our bleach. And then now we're gonna do our, oh yeah, you can definitely tell it's like a dark blue kind of liquid. All right, and here's our spectrum. Get from the top, a little bit easier for my eyes. This is our spectrum. We got our bases on this side, on our, to your right, both of our rights. And we got our acids on the left side, so it goes from red to pink, then purple, because that's the color of the grape juice, then to yellow, and then to our blue. There we go. Let me pour all these out in the sink. Okay, I'm gonna write them down. I'll write them down off camera, so y'all don't have to sit here and wait for me. Alright, this has been The Lab. Catch you guys in the next one.